In the previous video, we worked on this guitar pedal. So we adjusted the top of this knob to even out the reflection that it had. But what I then noticed is that the pedal is not sitting right in the center of this canvas. So let's see how we could fix this, or how we could center an object in the frame. So the way that I would do it is I would use a marquee tool, M, and then draw a selection from one end. I think this is the shorter side. So from the edge to the object, like this, and then transfer this selection to the other side, like this. I can zoom in and then make sure that I really align this at the very edge of this object. And then if I press Command R, I will pull up the rulers, and then I can click, hold, and drag out and take out a guide from a ruler like this. Then I will press Command D to deselect, and then use the crop tool, C. I will set it to the original ratio, and now crop like this. I will just bring the crop tool down to the ruler, and then double click, and now my pedal should be centered on the canvas.